Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Mini retro computer speaker for your desk. This 90s inspired mini PC style speaker sits right on your desk. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Smart pixel screen with DIY faces and messages. Customize the 1.77-inch pixel display with 70+ retro clock faces. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Alarm clock, white noise and focus tools built-in. Set gentle alarms, play white noise or rain sounds for sleep, and for most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it a fun retro toy for my desktop. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.